a Rode NT1 microphone, but then I added myself as a guest on my private PC. So trying to invite this guy into the call, muting here. And then, of course, unmuting on my normal streaming PC. So, to my experience, is and of course now the audio, or actually the audio goes through, muting this one, but somehow the webcam went away. Probably not the best test. On the other hand, it seemed like it would work. So just trying to reconnect, doing like this. Then let's see if I'm joining the stream again. There we go. Muting here. Going online here. So now we get the feed from my private PC, my secondary PC, which I'm normally using as a device for HDMI grab. I could then move over to here, making sure that it was possible to get the feed from this PC, muting here again. And then unmuting here, trying to see what that would look like, just to get an idea on how it would work. I think so far it looks pretty easy, making sure that it would work out fine. There's probably a lot of settings that I haven't seen yet, in captions and graphics. Yeah. There's like a lot of things that you could actually change the setting to, making sure that it would work. Let's see what this one does. Nothing really. Overlay, show. Live. We're going live with Restream. Okay. Actually being able to do this live streaming, it does seems pretty easy. We'll be able to change all the settings and do it on the fly. To my opinion, that works pretty nice. Especially the things where we can move around, making sure that this will be done pretty easy. Luckily, there was no one watching me right now, because that would make sense, I think. But it's definitely nice to have these features of moving things around, making sure that it is how it is, and this is the way that you would like to have it. So yeah, it is pretty easy to do all these things. Removing my name again. Adding this one, making sure that this is all right. This is at least how it looks like. But basically there is lots of things that you can do on the go. So then just a last test of the video feed or the audio feed from my secondary PC. So that is without the studio grade microphone. That is actually just the microphones or the embedded microphones in the Surface Pro 6. And then switching back to my normal setup with things that I'm normally streaming with. So back to my own